Okay, we're walking towards Ama Temple, and there's just tons and tons of people here today. I'm not sure exactly the reason, but there's just tons of them. So we're gonna try to figure it out. There's a lot of tourism everywhere these days. Macau, we're kind of near this Calzada de Barra here, and it looks like it's like some kind of students, tons of students for some reason. Okay. So we're gonna just kind of walk around and just kind of see what's going on here, but I haven't seen so many people in a long time. There's like tour groups. I think I know why, but I'll try to explain it as well. So check it out. Man, I'll try to assess it on camera and just kind of tell you, but it's like loud. There's people like pouring up in that street. There's policemen as well. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so this is Calzada de Barra, and now we're kind of in this little Barra area, and actually they just opened up. It's after 3 years of COVID. They just opened up to tour groups, so now there's tour groups absolutely everywhere. So it looks like they're young students. Just gonna walk through here a little bit. Yeah, there's like tons of tour groups. So I guess they're all coming to see Ama Temple, and we're gonna just walk around and check it all out. I just haven't seen this many people in a long time. All these tour groups, like the tourism is 100% back. It's kind of mind-blowing, to be honest. I just did not expect that. So all these people are in Ama Temple. I might come in here for a moment. These guys must be happy there was like nobody around for 3 years, and now those businesses would be flourishing. So I guess there's kind of overwhelming. I feel like it's people in here. I'm gonna try to go in here and yeah. The other thing that's different too is in Macau we've had pretty strict COVID restrictions. One of them is masks. But my understanding of the mainland is it wasn't that way. So so as we see an influx of mainland tourists. Let's kind of walk through here a little bit. But as we see an influx of mainland Chinese tourists, then we're also seeing a lot less masks, which is kind of nice because they were very strict about it. In like Hong Kong with a $5,000 Hong Kong fine. Must be some special day today. Long lines everywhere. I haven't really been walking around this temple in quite a while either. I've never seen it so busy either. But yeah, we've basically had COVID for the last 3 years, so all this would have been empty, no tourists, and they banned all the foreigners. They also banned all the tour groups from mainland China, and I heard that they are now available to come back. Let's just kind of go up, walk around a little bit. It's also kind of a chance to take all this in. It's incredible. Let's see here. I guess we're gonna go this way. Yeah, also for the last 3 years too. For the last 3 years, if I didn't wear a mask, especially in a temple. So it's pretty strange. It's kind of mind-blowing, to be honest. Let's see if we can... Hello. Hello. That's funny. Okay. So we're gonna walk on back down. So there's something's happening today. Yeah, something's, I don't know if it's just here. I mean, it looks like they're like mainland Chinese tour groups, and they are, because they have all the signage of them, but there's other stuff going on. If you know what's going on, let me know. Today is February 9, Thursday. Huh. I just didn't expect it. I just haven't seen as many people. I haven't seen tour group. The first time I've seen tour groups in 3 years. But yeah, this used to be the way Macau was all the time. But now it's like even more. So this is the entrance. Later I'm going to talk about this book that I wrote, and that entrance is on the front cover of the book. I'm going to start talking about that more coming up in future videos. Okay, so we're back at the entrance. Wow, amazing.
真的？1、2、3、4、5、6、7，这样多，在这儿，有点像我台上。
Wow, this is crazy. Everything's so organized too. Like they created these tour groups are new as of the last 3 years. I mean, new. They used to always be here because they're kind of organized too. They're still kind of loud like before, but before they were just like really chaotic. But now they seem like quite well organized. Photographer there. So yeah, it's amazing. I haven't really seen this in quite a while. Let's see if we can go. We got this little kiosk as well. So anyways, there's so much interesting, and there's like just tons of people going up that street to the Moorish temple as well. So yeah, very interesting. They got policemen directing the traffic, going all the way up there. As far as I know, there's actually a lot of other tourist stuff up there too. There's the Mandarin House. There's the sorry. kind of cool. It's a modern house. Actually, it's been kind of cool. There's I was gonna say there's a lot of people are just kind of saying hello to the camera. Moorish temple is up that way. Lulao, kind of curious if Lulao is equally crazy as well. Anyways, pretty busy day today here in Macau, and we're down at this is where we're basically located, the pagoda, Barra Pagoda Square. I'm gonna end it right there today. I guess that house is the one that I should be focusing on right there. All right. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la